Understanding common issues with Klarna Credit Check is essential for individuals who use this popular buy now pay later service. Klarna is a payment method that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. But it also performs credit checks to assess the creditworthiness of its users. Firstly, it is crucial to comprehend what a credit check is. A credit check is an evaluation of an individual's credit history, which includes their borrowing and repayment habits. Klarna uses this information to determine the credit limit and repayment terms for its users. One common issue with Klarna Credit Check is a hard inquiry. When Klarna performs a credit check, it can result in a hard inquiry on the user's credit report, which may temporarily lower their credit score. This can be a problem for individuals who have applied for multiple credit products in a short period. Another issue is a soft inquiry. Klarna may also perform soft inquiries, which do not affect credit scores but can still appear on credit reports. Multiple soft inquiries can lead to concerns about the user's creditworthiness. To avoid issues with Klarna Credit Check, it is vital to understand the factors that affect credit scores. These include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. Maintaining a good credit score by making timely payments, keeping credit utilization low, and avoiding multiple credit applications can help minimize problems with Klarna credit checks. Best practices for avoiding common issues with Klarna Credit Check include checking credit reports regularly to ensure accuracy, making on-time payments to demonstrate responsible credit behavior, and limiting credit applications to only necessary situations. By following these guidelines, individuals can reduce the risk of problems with Klarna credit checks and enjoy a seamless payment experience. In conclusion, being aware of common issues with Klarna Credit Check and taking proactive steps to maintain good credit habits can help individuals use this service with confidence. By understanding how credit checks work and adopting best practices, users can minimize potential problems and make the most of Klarna's flexible payment options.